Hello. Hello.
Yeah, you can start.
Good evening, everyone, and welcome back to the session. So, this is another Thursday, and we are here with our promise that we will conduct exclusive resume preparation session. Right. So, my name is Harshit Gautam. I'm working as a data scientist in AiSPRY, which is partner company of 360DigiTMG. Right. So, I'll be walking you through this session and I'll let you know that what is a resume, how to build your resume, and how to enhance your visibility in front of recruiters, basically. So, before I start with anything, let me set agenda for today's meeting, today's class. That in this session, we will talk about that why tailor your resume, why is it required, then understanding job description, identifying your relevant skills and experiences, then using keywords effectively, right? Then customizing the resume layout, then tailoring cover letters, and then final tips and best practices. All right, so these are the things that we will discuss today. But before I start with why to tailor your resume, you should know what resume is exactly. Okay, so if you don't know what is resume, whenever you are preparing for some job, you will be applying for that job. And when we try to apply, we basically send one official document which will have our basic and advanced information, A to Z information about us, like what is our name, what is my contact details, what are my expertise, what are my skills, what are the projects that I have worked on. Okay. So everything you mention in your resume and you just send it to the recruiter. So it will be kind of representation of you. Right. Now talking about why to tailor your resume. So first of all, visibility and relevance. It will enhance the visibility of you in front of recruiter. It will let them know that who you are, what are your expertise, what are your skills, okay, what are your interest. So it will help like to enhance your visibility and relevance. Then alignment with the job and culture. So simply put, if your resume is tailored properly, it will help you to put the information in such a manner that it will be in proper alignment with the job that you are applying for. Okay. Then interview chances. There will be higher chances that your resume will get shortlisted for interview round because not only you will be one who is applying for that particular job, right? So, and standing out is the most important thing. There will be a lot of students applying for the job and you will have to stand out. Okay, that has to be something special in you so that they will select you, not others. Talking about JD, now many people, when they see any vacancy, they just hit the apply button. They even don't read JD or roles and responsibility or anything, skills required, nothing. They just read the designation. Okay, this is data scientist job, apply. Data analyst job, apply. ML engineer job, apply. But no, that is wrong way. Now, whenever there will be any vacancy in any company, that company will release the job vacancy, but at the same time, it will also release this official document called as job description. People also call it as JD. Okay. Now, JD will be one official document released by that company that, okay, we are having one vacancy for data scientist. And for example, data scientist, and we need one employee who has expertise in machine learning, data cleaning, and data storing. So such kind of document will be there. It will hold all the responsibilities and expertise that they are looking for. So before applying the job, before applying for that job, you should get that JD, you should read it out, and you have to identify your key skills. So note down whatever skills they are looking for and note down all the skills that you have and match whether you have all those qualities and skills or not. If not, then prepare for it, right? And apply for it. After that, essential focus on essential qualifications. For example, you are student of 360 DigiTMG, so we will be providing you different certifications, whether it's about NASCOM or SUNY certification, or it's about all those like project related certificates, all those module wise certificates. So you have to put all those certifications in your resume, right? Then adopt job language. Now this is really important, guys. Whenever there is any particular domain, for example, it's data science, so there will be specific terms and terminologies used in that particular domain, right? So we should try to put those words in our resume. Then interview insights. When you read JD properly, you can predict what kind of questions they might ask. If they are asking for machine learning, okay, so they will ask for sure that what is supervised and what is unsupervised machine learning. What are different algorithms in unsupervised machine learning? What are different algorithms in supervised machine learning? Right. So you can predict that what are potential interview questions based on JD. After that, identify your relevant skills and experiences. Now whenever it's about like any particular job, so you should match all those skills that they are looking for, and you have list out all those expertise that you have, and like based on that you should know that this is the job that I should apply for. Then highlight your achievements. Okay, highlight your achievements. Now when we talk about highlighting our achievements, we basically talk about quantifying our achievements. Okay, you should use such terms like led, helped. Okay, for example, I'll put that I led a team of 15 students work on this project, right? So this is how I will quantify my work. After that, prioritize your content. Okay, you should prioritize your content. You should highlight most relevant experiences first, right? You have worked on many projects in past in your some another domain or another designation. But if you are preparing for data analytics and you have worked on Excel, you have used Excel and Power BI tools in your job. So highlight those things. Then update regularly. Now this is something that I don't need to explain because updation is really important, whether it's about any software or knowledge or resume. Even though you download WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, and you update these softwares after some time, right? So you should update your knowledge properly. You should know what is happening in field of data. Is there any new library launched? Is there any new LLM or any algorithm launched? Is there any update in anything? So you should be aware of those things. At the same time, you should update your resume also. That now I consist this knowledge also. Then talking about ATS software. So when any person applies for any job, there will be similarly a lot of students, lot of applicants applying for the job. So when they apply, no one is there to read out their like all those 1,000 or 10,000 applications manually. All those applications, all those resumes will be sent to that ATS software. Now that ATS software, based on the keyword matched, it will give one score between 0 to 100 to each resume. Now the high top ATS scored resumes will be selected for interview round. Now how will you make sure that your resume will get one higher ATS score? Well, that is defined by keywords. Okay. So when we talk about keywords, you should know what are relevant keywords for this job. You should not put anything and everything in your resume. Many people, they just put everything, whatever they find. Okay. They don't have idea that what is NLP. I've seen students putting NLP in their data analyst resume. Now tell me guys, if you have no idea what is machine learning, how you can put NLP, right? So you should know what are different keywords for your resume for your expertise and the job you are applying for, and that thing will be done once you read out all that JD properly. So you should like avoid putting irrelevant things. Don't put a lot too much of keywords. I'll let you know what are relevant keywords for different job roles and different designations. Okay. After that, resume layout. So there are like multiple layouts available, but you can go with chronological or functional or combination formats. These are like quite good and simple layouts. You can go with any of these. But the most important thing is readability. It should be neat and clean. Okay. And it should be strategic. It means you're not putting anything anywhere. It should be relevant. Like you are putting your name at last and you're putting your project at first. No. First, you should put your name, your contact details, then put out your like basic summary that okay, I'm a data scientist, like looking for job. I have expertise in this, like this. Okay. So put that thing. Then you should know where I should put project or skills. So if you are a fresher, of course, you should highlight your skills first and the projects that you have worked on. Okay. So these things will help you to enhance your resume. Then talking about cover letter. So cover letter will be one additional document basically, which will have your personal details, personal interest, personal detail in the sense personal interest that okay, I'm not one of those folks who are just looking the apply button and hit that apply button. No, I'm seriously interested in this particular job and these are my expertise. Such kind of document will be a cover letter. So basically it will help to provide personal touch to your application. Okay. It will impress your interest. It will let them know that you are really interested in this job. Okay. Now talking about final tips and best practices. So you should proofread your resume first. You should know that what you have written in your resume. Many people they just put anything and everything. Sometimes they generate resume using AI tools, and I don't say that I don't appreciate that thing. Okay, AI is for that thing, but at least you can read out your resume once. Okay, then take feedback from your mentors. It can be your trainers from 360 and take out their feedback that, okay, is there any update? Is there any changes that I should make? So you can do such things. Keep it current, guys. Okay. Update it regularly. Update your resume within 10 days or 20 days because there is any update. So such things should be updated. Then engaging in network, go through LinkedIn, go through different social media platforms related to corporate world and make connections. Then talking about famous job portals, so we have Naukri.com, we have Shine.com, Indeed, and LinkedIn, the most important one we can't forget. Okay, so such things are like such famous job portals. So build your profile there. These are few famous job Google search results when people search for job. So people search like data science jobs in India and they get result like this. And here you can get directly linked to apply for those jobs. Okay. Now keywords for data scientist resume. So whether it's data science or data analytics, data engineering, you can use these keywords. Okay, you can have a snap or you can note down all those keywords. Then these are frequently asked questions like what do you worry about? Give me example of your creativity. Are you willing to relocate or travel? So these questions are like subjective. It can be personal. Answer can be personal. So these are like frequently asked questions. Then this is our content. you can contact us at 1-800-212-654321 for more information. You can inquiry us at this email address. Then this is the official site. I'll walk you through this site. And we have our offline headquarter learning centers in Hyderabad, Bengaluru, and Chennai. And other than this, we have our franchisee across globe. Okay, you can scan these QR codes to find us on different social media platforms so that you can get latest updates regarding data. Now, I'll take 1 minute to walk you through our official site. Okay. So this is our official site. Now, if you go to our learning resources, there will be multiple options, and one of them is Resume Optimization Hub. Okay. Now, when you click over there, just wait for 1 minute. Yeah. So you will get this option, get started for free now. Click here. So here in this place, if you click, you will get an option to upload your resume. You can upload that PDF file, which will be your resume. And then on the right side, you can copy paste your JD here, or you can choose a file if that JD is in form of a document. Now, after that, you have to click on compare now. After that, what will happen? It will provide you one ATS score. So this is simply one ATS software from our side. Okay. So it will provide you that ATS score. At the same time, it will also let you know that what are the keywords missing in your resume and what are keywords present in your resume. Based on that, you can decide that how you have to optimize your resume. At the same time, you can generate updated resume also for that particular JD, right? So this is all for today, and we will again have another session on next Thursday. So till then, thanks for joining the session, and we will again meet next Thursday. Thank you. Bye bye.